Thank you very much for joining me. Hi, my name is Mayur Sampath, for who are new as far as uh, Indian Turtles is concerned. Uh, we are going to have a wonderful time today. Lots to learn, lots to cover. Now, this will not be only a single seminar as on now. What we are going to do, we are going to cut it down in 40 minutes time period. Okay, so once you are out of this, okay, you need to re-log in again. Okay, username, password will be given to you, not a problem at all. So in the last 2 minutes, we'll be generating the username, password, so that continuity remains. So guys, very, very excited to be over here. Sunday morning, and you are here. I am so grateful that you are here to learn about markets, to learn about options. You had an option to go to sleep. You had an option to see a movie. You had an option to see Netflix, or you had an option just not to do anything. Now you had so many options, right? You had so many options to do whatever you want, but you selected to come over here to learn about options. Why options? That is a question mark for everyone who is there in the market. You may be an investor, right? You may be an investor, but in the last few months, the drop which had taken place from 12,400 to 7,550 odd, my God, people have lost so much money. Okay, the portfolios are down by more than 50%, some down by 60%. And the small caps and the mid caps have been beaten down so bad, so bad. It's very, very difficult period. Yes, last one odd week, 2 weeks, things have started working like a mad. Now people are jumping into, small caps, mid cap, and they don't know what they are doing. Why? Because 3 rupee, 4 rupee stock going right up till 30 rupees. It's madness happening in the market. Now people were waiting down below कि 7,500 से नीचे जाएगा, 7,500 से नीचे जाएगा. I will buy only later. And just imagine 7,500 odd, and now at 10,000. Strong up move. Now, if you have not seen my video on a YouTube channel, Mayur Sampath, okay, go and watch that video of 24th of March, why I was telling everyone to buy when it is available cheap. Okay, I will share with you my portfolio also. I had bought at 7,500. I bought when it started to move up. Okay, and believe me, the point is you always need to buy low and then sell high. Every need to buy low and then sell high. That is what you need to do. लेकिन हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We will wait for everyone to come in. We will wait for everyone to become okay. Okay, so is the audio clear for everyone? I am being shouting at the top of my voice. Yes, things are fine. I will try and be as close as to the mic. Thank you very much for your feedback. Okay, so guys, please understand that market is all about timing. लेकिन timing किसको मालूम है? What to do, when to do, how to go about it. And today we are going to learn about that particular part. Now, what to do now? Please don't tell me about what has happened. कहां पे क्या हो गया मालूम नहीं. अभी क्या करने का? Do I invest now or I have to wait? Will the market go down or will the market is going to go up? That is the question mark for everyone. And that is where the options comes into picture. Let me now share the screen with you guys. Okay, so the point is why options, and important thing is why options without Greek. The question is why options without Greek. is the most important questions. So a disclaimer as usual. Okay, Mayur Sampath and Indian Turtles. Futures option stock trading is a highly risky activity. Any action you choose to take in the market is totally your own responsibility. You will not be liable for any direct, indirect consequences or incidental damages or loss arising out of the use of this information. This information is neither an offer to sell nor solicited to buy any security mentioned here. The trainer may not be trading in the security mentioned. All names, products mentioned are trademark, registered trademark of their respective owner. Example used for training purpose only. So guys, I will be taking a lot of examples. Okay, I will be giving you the picture, right? But as per SEBI rule, I need to be very clear that the disclaimer is there. Why we have this particular thing? Because everybody wants to be in a buy, because our mind is trained to buy. Why? Because during our childhood, okay, we were told to buy pencil, we are told to buy rubber. Every time we are just going on buying. But what happens when the market is actually falling? That time you are paralyzed. Your mind goes just blank and you are not able to do anything. And people tell you is buy. Why do they say buy when the price are going down? But has the bottom been formed? Nobody has a clue on that. So this is where the option learning is going to help you out. So are you with me, guys? So just put it in the chat box, you are with me. So I know you are there. If you do not have a pen and pencil, please go and get it, because lot of stuff which I am going to tell you, okay, is going to be really, really important. I am going to put my chat box over here. Quite clear? Thank you very much. So let us continue to learn. So anything you have to put in, just put in your chat box. Good enough. Okay. So our mission is to make you a winner, whether the price is going up or the price is going down. Very, very important. Why? Because the markets, the ups and downs and the cycle keeps on happening. Okay. But the point is how we can find out what is happening when. Okay. So a lot of learning has been done and lot of videos have been posted on YouTube. Please go and watch, like it, share it if you have a wonderful learning sessions. Okay. The purpose is to share, learn technicals in the market. Every man takes out of life just exactly according to what he puts in. So think about it. अगर मैंगो का सीड हम लोग बोएंगे तो what will come out, a mango tree or not? So please understand, what you will sow is what you are going to get. So we reap just to what we sow. A man who pays with time and money for knowledge and continues to study and never gets to a point where he thinks that he knows all that he is to know, but realize that he can still learn, is the man who will make a success in speculation or in investment. Now, these are not my words. These are of my words. These are of W.D. Gang, my guru, who was a wonderful and a very, very powerful trader in 1900s. Yes, 1900. In 1905 to 1955, he had made fortune for himself, and he is being my trainer. Okay, virtual trainer, I would say. Yes, I am having 3 mentors with me right now to take me to the next level. Guys, I was a completely novice like you, completely novice, not knowing anything about stock market. Let me share some story with you. Boss, I was into computer hardware industry for 22 years. Okay, when in 2008, I had a fall in the bathroom. A fall in the bathroom. And what happened? My whole life changed. Okay, 6 months later, okay, I was diagnosed with an ACL tear. Now, what do you mean by ACL tear? It is that knee which between the knee there is a muscle which broke into two pieces. So I was getting that pain, and believe me, I had to undergo 5 knee operations. Not one, not two. Physical pain, one after the another. 5 knee operations. And the computer industry which I was in, okay, with 3 offices, one in Dadar, one in Fountain, and one in Chiplun, okay, where we were distributor for IVAL products. Everything went down. It was a painful journey. Why? You are at a peak of that level where you have 3 offices, staff, and everything in place. Okay, and your business goes down to 0. It was really painful to be there, and I was practically having no clue what to do next. No clue of what to do next. And then where I thought, okay, if this is going to continue, I don't know whether there will be a knee replacement or anything. Okay, so I wanted something to sit down at one particular place and start something. And this is when I thought about learning the stock market. Okay, and the journey was really painful once again. It took me 6 months. Yes, 6 months to understand what is a bull and what is bear. It was really, really painful. Okay. Why? Because in that learning journey, okay, I had lost my account not once, but I had lost my account twice. And one time in the options. Twice I lost out everything. So guys, that was my journey. But since the last 7-8 years, since 2012, I have been in that journey, which is really, 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 really good. And the last 3 months have been excellent. Why? Because this series, okay, March, April, May, has been outstanding, outstanding. I have been able to help to set up the business of stock market of several traders and investors. Okay, and believe me, the journey has been wonderful. Did the journey went up straight? No, it was an up and down. But now I have found a system, okay, a 7-step system to climb up a ladder. Okay, I am writing a book, Cubicles to Wall Street, my journey in the stock market and the journey of how I made it to the next level. So guys, today I want to share with you about options. So let me first go over there and make you understand what options are. Now you may be an investor, okay, and you must be putting a lot of money every month on month on, okay, and you have built up a portfolio. Say you have bought a Bajaj Finance stock, okay, and the current market price of Bajaj Finance is say 2,700. But believe me, Bajaj Finance was way back at what levels? Almost double in the month of January, and now it is at 2,700. Okay, even if you had this price at 100, okay, that means your money is 2,70,000 rupees. Now in option and in future, okay, it is a 250 ka lot size. Okay, now you want to buy something and you have bought Bajaj Finance 100 at this particular price at 2,700. What could be the output? Either the stock will go up, or the stock can go down, or the stock will remain sideways. Think about it. Only 3 options available for you. Okay, what will happen? So while the 3 options are there, okay, if the price is not going anywhere, okay, and it stays there, you have to just keep your hands like this and wait for the price to move up. then and then only you are going to make some money. But think about it. How much interest, monthly interest you are going to pay? How much yearly interest you are going to pay for your investment? Think about it. And what is a guarantee that the price will go up only? So the market sentiments depends on you, on where you see the market is going to head, whether it is a stock or whether it is the whole market itself, that is the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Okay, now we have a corona shutdown for almost 2.5 months. Offices are closed, business is down, factories are closed, the credit card bills have gone up right at the top, and on that top of everything, okay, the companies are cutting the salaries. Very, very painful. So what to do? And on the top, we are investing money in the stock market. Why? Because we think possibly उसमें से हमको पैसा मिलेगा. That is the problem. We only think. Now when the stock will go down, you will lose some capital. अभी तो पैसे का मारामारी चल रहा है and you are losing capital. Why? Because जहां पे आपने buy किया है, okay, people are getting out. You don't know what is happening. Now if the market goes up and the price goes up, definitely you are going to make money. But what happens? What if the price just remains in that range for quite some time? Are you going to make money? Are you going to make money? Think over it. So when you are unable to make money, when the price is going to be sideways, रात को नींद नहीं आएगी. क्यों? We have invested 2,70,000 rupees just to buy 100 shares. Now even if it goes up by what? 100 points, how much you will make? But your investment is 2,70,000. Now this is where the options come into picture. This is where your portfolio, maybe 5 lakh, 10 lakh rupees worth of portfolio, okay, you can hedge your portfolios. Even when the market will go down, okay, your money is technically safe, or you are actually able to protect your capital. Let us understand this how. Okay, so what do you mean by hedging of portfolio? Okay, so what happens if the price falls tomorrow? Now think about it. 3 months, nothing has happened. 3 months lockdown. 3 months practically zero business. Okay, what happens? What happens? You have bought something and the price may crash in the future. So what you do is you have to hedge your position. It helps you to offset the capital. Say 2,700 going down by say 500 points. That means Bajaj Finserv, with the example which I have taken, going down by 2,200. Okay, what is the portfolio loss? 500 points multiplied by 100. That means you are losing out 50,000 rupees. Now, is this not painful? While we were trying to earn money, our capital is getting eroded slowly, steadily, slowly, steadily. Think about it. Is this not happened? While the price was right at the top at 12,400, Nifty was there and everybody was shouting at the top of the voice, boss, और ऊपर जाएगा, दिल मांगे more. And it is, do you feel this is only due to Corona, the price had fallen down? This was technically a 90 years economical cycle, which 1929, okay, Great Depression in US, Okay, while the Wall Street had actually crashed very badly. Okay, and from 1929 to 19 2019, a 90 years ka economical cycle coming in. I was late by only 2 months, frankly speaking, when the actual market started falling. Okay, I was advocating this 90 years ka cycle. Boss, please take care. Boss, please take care that there will be a fall in the market because the cycle keeps on repeating. Like how we have the day and the night. Okay, we see moon and the sun. How we have the seasons, the summer season and the rainy season and the winter season. In the similar fashion, okay, the stock market also have lot of cycles which it goes through up and down. Okay, and that is what is very important for you to understand. Okay, so what exactly are derivatives and how it is going to help you to understand? Now you have the stocks with you, okay, but as a market player, you need to understand. Now, whether you have a portfolio in mutual fund, but do you know which mutual fund to buy? Now, in that also, you have the capital getting locked out. Then why, while the market was at peak, you are unable to get out? Because you have been informed that mutual fund सही है for long period of time. पैसे डालते जाओ डालते जाओ डालते जाओ, and then what happens? People who had some function, family function, daughter getting married just in May, and what happens? That 50 lakh portfolio getting crashed. Will the daughter's marriage will be done in a proper fashion? Now you have saved that money for your children's, okay, for higher education, and when the time came in, okay, when the time came in to pay the bills, your portfolio is down, your mutual fund is down. What happens? Is it not painful? Okay, a derivative contracts is a financial instrument whose payoff structure is derived from the value of the asset. That means whatever the asset, whatever you are holding, उसका डेरिवेटिव बनाया हुआ है मार्केट में. Okay, and it could be stock, it could be bond, it could be currency, anything, and it could be metal also. Okay, or intangible stock like indices, the Nifty, the Bank Nifty. Okay, and why they have come up with this is these are the instrument to either make money or to hedge your positions. So what we have is stock futures, okay, and the stock options. That means call and put, which is there. So let us understand the call and put. Okay, our objective of this today's session is, okay, there is a myth that derivatives are only for speculator and the gamblers. Sorry, derivatives are only for guys with big pockets. Derivatives are very, very dangerous. Okay, I fear futures and option क्योंकि मालूम ही नहीं है क्या हो रहा है. My distant relative lost a fortune in derivatives. Okay, and that is all the myth which is being carried forward, okay, in the market. Just imagine, I, a novice, not even having a single stock with me, coming to the market, totally blank. Okay, what market is all about. We were serving lot of brokers at Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay, but not a single stock bought and kept with me. Why? Because I was not able to understand the markets. And believe me, in the last 5-7 years, I had not built up my portfolio at all because I was not having that luxury of having extra money with me. But this year, I started to build my portfolio, and I will share with you the portfolio in the second half. Okay, my portfolio, where what stocks which I have bought, okay, going up almost 93%, 94%, 75%, 40%, 20%. You know, the stocks which I have bought right when it was available cheap. Please go and watch my YouTube videos and you will understand. Okay, a W formation and the price going up strong. Okay, so people will say sky is falling, but you need to understand that it is nothing like that. Derivatives can be used by investors. Okay, derivatives can be used by small guys. Derivatives helps in protecting our risk. Okay, derivative can be fun, simple and easy to use. Guys, I can make money out of derivatives. Very, very important. I can make money out of derivatives. And I'll just explain to you how to go about this. So I will take I will take a lot of questions. Okay, whatever questions we have in the second half, let us understand why we want to study the option and why people are afraid of this. ये क्यों इतना डरा हुआ चीज है जो हमको सिखाया गया? Just see the way the option is being taught by the market. ये खाली डेफिनेशन है, आप खाली डेफिनेशन समझने के लिए हम लोग की बैंड बज जाती है. Sorry to use that language, लेकिन yes, they have made it so difficult. But then, believe me, the money is there in option. Okay, in the last 3 months, in the first option, in the April month, we had made 50,000 rupees. In the second batch, we had made 1,22,000 rupees. In the third batch, we had posted almost 78,000 rupees just in options. And what was the capital which was being deployed was around 5 lakh rupees. Can you imagine the amount and the power that options have? But yes, you need to learn it right. Now, either you learn it in this particular fashion, okay, and think about it. अरे ये क्या है? मेरा definition इतना dangerous definition है because English is a very, very funny language. Believe me, could, would, should के बारे में हमको बताया जाता है. Okay, and you have been told, boss, option writing is the most dangerous game. No, maximum time, okay, option writers are the one who are winners. But you should know when to do option writing, when to buy a call or when to sell a call, when to buy a put, when to sell a put. Now, just imagine, this is the definition. Abhi, you will not learn option if you have to go through this definition. Okay, ये तो call के बारे में है. Just think about it. Call के बारे में है. Okay, and call option simply labels call is a contract between buyers and seller of the call option to exchange a security at a set price. The buyer of the call option has the right but not an obligation to buy an agreed quantity of a particular commodity. Blah blah blah. Now think about it. यार ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्यों सीखूं मैं इतना complication? Okay, ये तो call के बारे में है, तो put के बारे में क्या है? तो again the same thing. Now, purposely, believe me, purposely, all these definitions have been kept in this particular direction कि आप लोग यहाँ पे अंदर आना ही नहीं है आपको. Okay, and because ये इतना tough बना के रख दिया है, definition itself, people say, भाई मेरे को नहीं सीखने का है. I don't want to learn this. It is very, very complicated. No, 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 dear, no. This is the most simplest. But the learning has to be a different type. Learning has to be a different type. And let me explain to you. There are Greeks in the option. The delta, gamma, theta, and vega, making it so difficult for us that we don't know what to do. Okay, and then what are the Greeks? Let me explain to you. Just I'll take 1 minute to explain to you. Vega measures the impact of volatility. Theta, change in the time remaining. Delta, change in the price of the underlying. Gamma, rate of change of delta. Now, stock market otherwise is also so difficult, and इसमें इतना सारा calculation going in. My maths is really weak. Do you know how to, what is this happening over here? What is this happening and why this is happening? And so much to learn. And आपको मैं बताता हूँ what is the calculation, mathematical calculation for putting all these figures into place. Mathematical calculation. Let me help you out. So this is the Black-Scholes model to calculate the Greeks. Now what are the Greeks? These are the Greeks: Vega, Theta, Delta, Gamma, and all that. Okay, so many things. Now is this not going to be a tedious job? लेकिन think about it. हाँ, इसका calculation देखो. Mathematical calculation. Okay. Now if you are good at maths, good enough, but I am not good at maths. Okay. To be honest with you, I have failed my 7th standard because my Hindi Marathi was not good. I have failed. I repeated my 7th standard. Then I have failed in my BSc also. First year BSc, I failed. Okay. And then I learned about technicals, the TV and video. I started my journey over there, TV and video. And then somebody told me, okay, when I came back from Australia, I was a crew member on a ship. Okay, I had attended bicentenary celebration in Australia, Sydney. Okay, I was the only civilian to go there. So when I came back from Australia, okay, somebody told me while I was doing that TV video, somebody told me, "Yaar, why not computers?" So I said, "Okay, fine, but I don't know anything about computers." And believe me, after that, it was 22 years I was in that particular field. So learning was there, okay, and that earning was there. Now just think about it. Market mein aaya main. Okay, it has been only 8 years now. Okay, but now learning was there and that earning was there. This has been my journey, dear. So guys, let me we are almost 18. Let me share the next 40 minutes ka username and password. Okay, we will take lot of questions. There is lot of learning still pending. Okay, so I'm going and having this particular thing in mind. Or if you don't get the username password, okay, please send me a WhatsApp message that please send me the username password. Okay, so let me generate username password over here itself. Just give me a second. So if you can join me in the second round, we will take a break of 10 minutes max to max. Let us abhi paune 10 baje hai. Okay, so 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, freshen yourself, pen and paper leke baith jana. Okay, and let me take you to the next level of the option learning. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining me. There is lots to learn. Okay, and understand how and why options. Okay, so give me a second over here. Okay, let me generate the username password. If I can just generate username password over here. So 11 बजे का रखते हैं. Okay, and schedule. Okay, so username password has been generated. Please take down this username password 783 8818 1805, and the password over here is 6 small x capital V, sorry, capital W, capital L, small u and small k. So guys, this is the username and password. 11 बजे हम लोग फिर से मिलने वाले हैं for more learning. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for joining in. I will see you at 11 o'clock. Okay, for the second round. Please don't forget to log into this. Okay, because abhi to picture baki hai, and we will definitely learn lots and lots of things as far as options is concerned. Thank you very much. See you at 11 o'clock. Love you all. Take care. So see you at 11. Thank you very much for joining me. 783-8818-1805 and the password 6 small x w l u k. Okay, so join in at 11 o'clock.